Nehanda nyakasikana kokuta kozwa rini kwezvanya chitambudzika mweya unoera kokuta kozwa rini kwezvanya chidzinyirirwa.
In the heart of Zimbabwe, the spirit of our ancestors breathed through the rituals of the faithful. I am Nehanda, the voice of the wind and the guardian of your sacred tradition deep within the sacred mountains of Mazowe, the Baradzanwa area, where the earth meets the heavens, the legends come to life here. Nehanda spirit walks with the great kings of the world, for we are the children of the same soil. With the sacred water, we nourish the spirit that protects our land. Their strength is our strength, their thirst is our call to serve the ancestors. Beneath us lies the source, the deep dwelling of the spiritual ancestors who guide our power. We honor those who came before and departed before us, for they are the roots of the tree that is called Zimbabwe. Fly Media TV, in partnership with the withHanda Research Institute, brings you a mini-series of the Charwe Nehanda Hwata History, as this government seeks to restore the legacy of the chieftainship that was distorted by the white colonial rule. Stay tuned for the mini-series coming to a small screen.
Vana vacheche vatinobereka vakati paiweza masimba nhasi vakura vakatsutsumara munyika yakwavo vochaya paakararamira nokuzvidekadza.